of you over there, and I'm very sure you people are safe and you are applying in different programs in IITs, NITs, COAP, CCMT rounds are going on. This my video is, I'll say, a starting point of a new domain in Yourpedia education. So as you know, Yourpedia keeps on exploring different opportunities and options for technocrats. The options which give you some kind of career, some kind of scholarship, some kind of job opportunities. In that direction, in this video, I'm going to tell you something about the opportunities of earning money or doing job in educational institutes like IITs, NITs, ISCs, triple ITs, ISCR, ISCRs, etc. There are two kind of jobs in IITs and NITs and all these educational institutes. One is permanent job, another is temporary job. Now, permanent and temporary jobs are also classified in three categories. One, teaching job. Second, non-teaching job. Third is project jobs. This my video is not about teaching job. Teaching after PhD, or you can join teaching jobs and all. That also we will cover later on. Non-teaching jobs, librarian, lab technician, I'm not going to discuss that also. This, my video and this opportunity, this series is for project jobs. You must have heard about Junior Research Fellowship, JRF, SRF, Research Associate, Project Assistant, Project Consultant. ये जितनी भी jobs हैं ये temporary for 1 year, 2 years, extendable to 3 years, as and when the project will be completed. So you can keep on getting these jobs. So these jobs opportunities are the third category which I am going to discuss today. Who is eligible normally? BTech student, MTech student, PhD student. They are eligible. I mean, if you have BTech, if you have MTech, if you have PhD, you can apply in these particular jobs. Scholarship varies somewhere from 25,000 to 1 lakh plus also. I will discuss with you today. I mean, there are some opportunities where you will get only 25,000 consolidated and accommodation in the IITs and all. It may be that you may get 1 lakh plus. Now, let me tell you before I explain this, these project jobs are never for earning money. You will never get good salary. Listen this again. Never join these for salary. Maybe in the market, if you are doing job like computer engineer, 5 years experience, you know how they will, how much you will be offered? Maybe 40,000, 35,000. So computer engineer with 5 years of industrial experience will never join for 35, 40,000 rupees salary. So actually money is not a lucrative option here. Then why we should join it? Now there are two reasons why you should join it. Reason number one, if you are planning to join higher education course in IIT or abroad, in these institutes or abroad, let's say you try to get into PhD or MTech course or MS course, but you could not get. It's better you join JRF, better you join project assistant or RA, research associate, better you join as RA. And when the next form comes, when next admission session come, you can get admission into MS course or PhD course in the same IIT. So sir, presently I'm presently doing a job of RA in IIT Bombay in this department. So I'm close to professor and I have learned about lab and the techniques and technologies which will help me to prepare very good research proposal. And I can talk to my professor, sir, I would like to do PhD under your guidance. So maybe I will get it. Reason number two, which I find is very good. You've already done MTech from IIT. Now you are planning to go abroad, German, America, something. But it may take time. It may take 6 months to 1 year. Better you take opportunity in IITs only or NITs only or something like that and keep doing research work. This is a research work. This research work is going to add to your academic experience, research experience, and you are going to get mileage in your admission in universities abroad. Maybe on the basis of this work which you did, you will come out with some research paper. That is the second reason. So this is very temporary and this helps you to get higher education abroad or India, MS, PhD, and this is going to give you a lot of learning. Learning is there. Earning is not the reason, learning is the reason. With that, proceed forward. And you know, sometimes what happens, because these seats are ignored, many students ignore, they don't see it. Has anybody told you these are the opportunities in these many IITs? Ever. It is never done. Nobody advertise it because in one IIT in 1 week maybe 5-6 of different departments. So let's say civil engineering, IIT Delhi civil engineering पूरे month में let's 2 ही jobs निकली. But when I consider all the institutes, there are 50 institutes. तो अगर मैं सारे 50 institutes का add कर दूं तो मे बी एक वीक में आपको 30 ऑप्शन मिल जाएं एज सिविल इंजीनियर. So very less student and you cannot access, you cannot see all the opportunities. But your PD executive, I mean mentor Pradeep sir is doing this activity, so he can compress it. He can see all the institutes, compress it, give you, okay, these are the opportunities, and you can go forward and you can access it and you can see it, how it is going to help you. So without any wastage of the time, let's go forward now. So what are the domains I'm going to discuss? JRF, SRF, project consultant, research assistant, field assistant. What is the salary? What is the kind of projects? And the best part is the kind of project they are working on. That is the best part. Because if you do this project and in your research proposal you write it, and we are running the series of videos for admission through DARD scholarship in German also. Believe me, the kind of project will be shown here to you. I mean the kind of projects which IITs come out with. If you write that project in your research proposal, you will easily get admission in PhD courses abroad or master's courses abroad. So let's start this thing. So we are, this is the, this week, I have shortlisted IIT Delhi, old IIT, IIT Mandi as new IIT and NIT Warangal. So these 3 institutes I am taking for your reference. What is to be done is you have to go to the site of particular IIT. Let's say if you Google out the site of IIT Delhi, you'll find jobs at the rate of basically IIT Delhi. So jobs में मैंने आपको बताया teaching job, non-teaching job, projects job, and we are not interested in faculty position or other jobs, non-academic position. We are interested in project position. Let us say now. So I go to project positions and I found that there's a list of projects. There's a list of प्रोजेक्ट का टाइटल भी है जो तुम पढ़ सकते हो, कौन सेंटर के अंदर है, कौन से डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर है, टेक्सटाइल टेक्नोलॉजी के अंदर है, कंप्यूटर साइंस के अंदर है, सेंटर फॉर एटमॉस्फेरिक साइंस के अंदर है, कौन प्रोफेसर है, और उसका डिटेल इज ऑल्सो गिवन. अब व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, सर आई एम अ टेक्सटाइल इंजीनियर, ओके, देन गो टू दिस टेक्सटाइल टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सी व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. Okay, development of nano composite fibers based filter cartridges for efficient removal of bacteria load and heavy metal from water. You find this project, you know, this is a very good project actually, and if you do this project meticulously, maybe further getting admission in foreign university in the same domain won't be trouble. And I tell you one thing, there will be sponsoring agency also जिसने project sponsor किया है, तो तुम लिंक बनाओगे तो तुम्हें ये भी पता लग जाएगा कि these are sponsored or collaboration projects being done with other universities also, global universities or other player also. So you can get into the get the job into the same industry. जिस industry ने ये project IIT professor को दिया, you can get job into the same industry also, and at the same time you can get higher education course in foreign university also. Multiple advantages of this entire exercise which I am doing it. So I told you earlier, these jobs, project jobs are not for earning, they are for learning and opening the opportunities thereafter. Okay, so I go one by one, you know. So first is senior research fellow. कितना मिलेगा? 35,000 plus HRA, 24% HRA. बट आपको अकोमोडेशन मिलती है और वो हॉस्टल से अच्छी होती है, वो मेरिड अकोमोडेशन होता है आईटी के अंदर, एंड दैट इज अ गुड अकोमोडेशन. लेकिन यू नो 5 years of experience is required, gate is required. I told you 5 years of experience you will not accept for 35,000. But then don't think of money. If you are thinking of money, this is not for you. If you are thinking of career, okay, मेरे को आगे जाना है, फॉरेन में जाना है, maybe you can prepare very well here. Labs के अंदर रहोगे, professor का recommendation मिलेगा. What is required for admission abroad, foreign universities or in IITs? Letter of recommendation is required, which you will get. Good research proposal is required, which you will get. Time is required where you can do it, you can apply, you will get it. So that is the main reason for that. Design of efficient, energy efficient computing system for mobile vision application. That is the name of the project. Let's go to next. This department now is Department of Textile. Research associate, 54,000 plus 24% HRA. That looks like okay. आईटी के अंदर 54,000 मिल रहा है, certainly you can save 45,000 monthly, you can do that. पीएचडी डिग्री है, जिसके पास मटेरियल साइंस की पीएचडी डिग्री है, जिसके पास टेक्सटाइल की पीएचडी डिग्री है, he can apply for this and the work on which you are doing is really good work. And sponsoring agency, also you can find it out which one is the funding agency. This is Department of Science and Technology only. So if you find some private player is funding or company is funding, suppose some company is funding it, the moment you completed this project, you can get job also in that particular company. That is another advantage. So this is a new project for you. Then comes National Carbonious Aerosol Program, NACP. ये है प्रोजेक्ट का टाइटल. SRF 35,000 or 31,000. MSc degree is required or MTech degree is required, and 2 years of research experience should be there, something like that, you know. Center for Atmospheric Sciences. Then we come to next project. It's a project consultant, or see the kind of salary they are offering now. 79,000. This. So that means more than 1 lakh will go to your pocket. This simply means more than 1 lakh will go to your pocket per month. But you know what? Minimum 11 years of experience is required in industry. You will say, sir, I am in industry for the last 11 years. Why I will come for 1 lakh? I'm already getting more than 1 lakh rupees, something like that. So, but don't you want to go abroad for PhD, let us say, and you're fed up with the industry now? 10-11 साल हो गए हैं, you're not finding it good, you want to go abroad, then join here and you can do research work, something good, and you can go abroad. That is the reason. Basically you can go for these kind of domains. Similarly, junior research fellowship 31,000. You should be MSc or MTech in biotechnology. Sometimes they don't require much experience. Sometimes they don't require much experience. They require only skill. So see, go through detail. Sir, I am MTech in biotechnology or biochemistry or MSc in biochemistry, and I want to go for this because I am looking for this is biomedical engineering. I am looking for PhD abroad. MTech तुम कर चुके हो, इंडिया से पीएचडी करना नहीं चाहते, बाहर से पीएचडी करना चाहते हो, तो यहाँ ज्वाइन करो ना, लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन लो, अच्छा रिसर्च प्रपोजल बनाओ एंड अप्लाई अब्रॉड. दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन डू. Then comes, you know, field assistant 25,000. 25,000 से ऊपर ही मिलेगा तुम्हें in any case. And post graduate with 4 years of experience in sample collection, processing, fabrication, monitoring of algae system. So that is how it is required. And funding agencies IRD only, and Center for Rural Development Technology. ये Center for Rural Development में you can do this particular thing. And post graduate with 4 years of experience. I know many of you civil engineers who are वर्किंग इन द फील्ड एंड 4 years प्लस आपने वर्क किया है, काम कर चुके हैं आप, एंड नाउ यू वांट टू शिफ्ट फ्रॉम दैट डोमेन टू समथिंग एल्स. सो आपने मास्टर्स भी कर रखा है, तो आई थिंक आर यू प्लानिंग टू गो अब्रॉड आफ्टर एमटेक? Are you doing some job somewhere? Are you not happy with your job, so you want to go abroad or something? So this is the reason why you should join these particular domains. Similarly, now that was the old IIT. Now let's go to new IITs, and I tell you one thing. Sometimes new IITs offer you more lucrative opportunities because they are evolving stage. So as far as the old and new IIT is concerned, हमारे लिए वो सेम है, यहाँ पे हमारे लिए सेम है, because मैं तो प्रोजेक्ट असिस्टेंटशिप का काम कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरे लिए वो सेम है. They call it recruitment, you know, instead of job they call it recruitment. So if you see, they will present something like this. ऐसे आपके पास बहुत सी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहेंगी. जब आप और आगे जाएंगे तो आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज वो एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, तो आपको प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल or low cost MEMS based video based monitoring and early warning system for rainfall induced landslides, because Mandi is in Himalayas, as you know. So that is very erosion belt, you know, landslide होता है वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा on the way to Kullu Manali. You must be knowing that. So ये this is the projects which are basically related to that. So project की details भी उसने दे रखा है, और क्वालिफिकेशन बीटेक होना चाहिए, एमटेक एमएस होना चाहिए, कंप्यूटर साइंस एप्लीकेशन समथिंग लाइक दैट, 55% होना चाहिए, गेट क्वालिफाई होना चाहिए समथिंग. दीज आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर यू. और मैक्सिमम तुम्हें 31,000 रुपए मिलेगा. सो यू विल से, सर मैं बीटेक हूँ कंप्यूटर साइंस में, एमटेक हूँ कंप्यूटर साइंस में, गेट मेरा क्वालिफाई है, लेकिन मैं 31,000 में काम क्यों करूंगा? आई टोल्ड यू, आप इसलिए काम करोगे बिकॉज आपको बाहर जाना है या आपको तैयारी करनी है एंड आपको बेसिकली एकेडमिक्स में एंटर करना है. सो दिस इज द जॉब के साथ ही जो पोस्ट लगा हुआ है तुम्हारे पास वो प्रोजेक्ट एसोसिएट है, तो तुम बेसिकली उस प्रोजेक्ट में ही काम करोगे, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट आई गो टू दिस. आई थिंक दिस इज द another project which is the project engineer. Basically is a requirement of temporary post of project engineer, एंड दीज आर द जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। आपको 20 से 30 हजार पर मंथली मिलेगा। एलिजिबिलिटी ये है, आपके पास बीटेक होना चाहिए, एटलीस्ट 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, और ये आपके सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, यू शुड बी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर एंड दिस इज द थिंग्स यू शुड नो। ये उसने रिक्वायरमेंट दे रखा है। डोंट से कि सर लास्ट डेट तो निकल गया, अब क्यों बता रहे हो। मैं आपको अप्लाई करने के लिए नहीं बता रहा हूं, मैं बता रहा हूँ पर्पस क्या है इसका, और इसका सीरीज स्टार्ट होगा तो आप इसको बाद में देख सकते हैं। Now this is the full time position in IIT Mandi Catalyst। IIT Mandi Catalyst एक डोमेन है, अभी बताता हूँ क्या डोमेन है, और जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है वो ये है। जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, यू विल असिस्ट जनरल मैनेजर IIT Mandi Catalyst। मैंने बताया कि IIT Mandi Catalyst एक डोमेन है, लर्निंग सेंटर है, और उसके जनरल मैनेजर को आपने असिस्ट करना है। एंड स्टार्टअप पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट, एंड टू एंड स्टार्टअप पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट के लिए आपको उनको असिस्ट करना है। सो देयर आर सम काइंड ऑफ portfolio management, sourcing and screening startup applications, coordinating startup admission process by calling, screening startup applications, ये सारे के सारा activity you have to do there, and this domain is something which is related to startups only। तो क्या skills आपके required हैं? These are the skills। You should be BTech in engineering or master degree, minimum 2 years of experience in startup ecosystem। तो आप में से बहुत से लोग जिन्होंने कोई स्टार्टअप किया, चला नहीं, एंड आपको एक्सपीरियंस है, now you want to get into the mainstream, you can apply here, you can apply here। what are the skills required is you should have some startup ecosystem का knowledge, कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का थोड़ा सा आइडिया होना चाहिए, मैनेजरियल स्किल्स आपके पास होनी चाहिए, प्रोफिशिएंसी इन इंग्लिश होनी चाहिए, ओवरऑल जेनरिक चीज तुम्हारे पास होनी चाहिए, एंड यू कैन अप्लाई इनटू दिस। Now salary is quite good, you know, compensation 30,000 से 50,000 रुपए पर मंथ तुम्हें मिलेगा। And Mandi is not very costly place। Suppose you are on the higher end side of your presentation, you know, your BTech tried your hand into something and you could not be successful। Interview होगा, वहां पे जाओ, present करो अपने आप को, and if you are good, maybe you can get 50,000 in IIT Mandi itself, and you will get lot of opportunities in entrepreneurial ecosystem also, for yourself also। आप उसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। दिस इज IIT मंडी कैटलिस्ट। अबाउट IIT मंडी कैटलिस्ट तो सारा मैंने बताया कि एक बहुत अच्छा डोमेन है ये। इन्होंने बहुत सी जो नए स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं उनको इनक्यूबेट करने के लिए दिस डोमेन इज ओपनड अप। सो दैट वाज द पोस्ट रिलेटेड टू दिस। Should we go to NIT Warangal now? Jobs and tenders of NIT Warangal. I'm not focusing only on IIT. NIT is also offer the equally good opportunities. So if you go to NIT Warangal, you will find some kind of jobs। they will present, they will advertise the jobs। in one of the jobs, you know, they will tell you, okay, research fellowship ka job, junior research fellowship ka job, low cost biodegradable polymer for application in food packaging। that is the name of the project, you know, if it is related to you, you can go for that। qualification, essential qualification is this: you should be first class graduate, you know, and this is and first class MTech। so BTech MTech of first class, I think you are in। गेट स्कोर तुम्हारे पास है, you are in। nature of work is this। consolidated salary is 31,000 per month। so that is what you have to do, and read the last line: selected candidate is eligible for register for PhD program at NIT Warangal itself। तो अगर आप इसमें select हो जाते हैं, you can go for this particular thing also। Similarly, you know, next is JRF project is dynamic and state security analysis of static security analysis large power system using high performance computing। that is JRF। duration is 2 years। दो positions हैं, MTech होने चाहिए आप कंप्यूटर साइंस में या IT में, एंड आपने ये डोमेन में काम किया हो, और गेट क्वालिफाई होने चाहिए। सो ये तुम्हें डिजायर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन है, ये तुम्हें आना चाहिए, एंड 31,000 विल बी गिवन टू यू। दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट, and you can go for PhD thereafter। so this is how it is advertised। now you know, only trouble is there are so many good opportunities also, like IIT मंडी का मैंने जो कैटलिस्ट वाला बताया, बहुत अच्छी ऑप्शन है, बहुत अच्छी ऑप्शन है। बहुत से आप में से ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनके लिए वो सूट करेगा, लेकिन I tell you one thing, because these advertisements do not come out, people don't know, they are not aware, and because they are not aware, they don't apply। and also one IIT, one NIT कौन देखेगा यार, इतना ज्यादा सब herculean task। but if you, India is very broad, big, large country, you know, so many IITs, so many NITs, so many institutes। 1 week में, if I'm not wrong, there will be hundreds of such good opportunities, hundreds of opportunities। and if I have to basically टॉक अबाउट पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच, मे बी वन ब्रांच में 10 से 15 अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपको मिलती हैं और उन अपॉर्चुनिटीज को एक्सप्लोर करने से आपका आगे का रिसर्च एंड एकेडमिक डोमेन आपका काफी ओपन होता है. सो नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग रेगुलरली, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट रेगुलर अपडेशन ऑन दीज काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. मेटिकुलसली देखते रहना, मे बी समथिंग विल हिट यू एंड वन गुड hit and you make your career. This helps you for pursuing your career further. I hope you liked it, and you can give your suggestions, comments. Whenever your PDS starts something new, you can always give your comments so that we improve upon our services and our products. All the best.